In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of deleting a repository on GitHub. If you find this helpful, feel free to subscribe and like the video. Now, without further delay, let's hand it over to Pauser to continue. First, open any web browser of your choice and visit github.com. Sign in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your top repositories on the dashboard. If the repository you want to delete isn't shown there, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Repositories. This will display a complete list of all your repositories. Now locate the repository you want to remove, let's say, for example, the test repository you created. Click on it to open it. Inside the repository, go to the top and click on the Settings tab. Scroll down to the bottom of the page until you reach the Danger Zone section. Here, click on Delete this repository. You will be prompted to confirm your decision. Click I want to delete this repository, then carefully read the warning message and confirm that you understand the consequences by checking the required acknowledgement. Finally, type the exact confirmation phrase requested by GitHub, and proceed with the final confirmation steps. Once completed, your repository will be permanently deleted.